American Sign Language for Beginners, Lesson 1. I'm here with the expert of American Sign Language in general, I guess. Morgan will teach me sign language step by step, and you can follow along. So if you want to learn sign language, follow basically what we're gonna try to learn in this mini series of episodes. We're gonna start with Morgan. How are we gonna start today?
So the first thing about sign language that you should know is that there's lots of emotion. So because you're not saying anything when you're talking or speaking, you have to show a lot of emotions with your face. Okay. So like if you're saying something happy, you should have like a smile on your face. Or if you're angry about something, like you should show it in your face.
Okay,
right?
yes.
Okay, so you wanted to do letters first?
Yes, yeah, I think we should start with kind of the alphabet in a sense.
Okay, do you want to do your name first or just the alphabet?
Let's start with the alphabet, and then I'll try to do my name after I've learned the alphabet.
I'll test you.
Yes.
All right. So, and normally it's your right hand. It's your dominant hand, so you're right-handed, right?
Okay. Yep. Right.
So, A.
A. Okay.
B.
Square. B.
C.
C.
D.
D.
E.
Wait. Show me. How do you even? Okay, so let me recap. Okay, so A, B, yeah, C, D.
No, almost. D.
Oh, D. Okay. D. Okay, great. Yeah.
E.
E.
F.
F.
F is the opposite of D.
So F and D.
Other way.
F.
D.
D.
Yep.
A, B, C, D, E. F.
Yep.
Perfect. Okay. Good. That's good. Yeah, I'm excited.
So G.
Okay.
H.
H.
I. J.
J.
K.
Wait, how did you do the J?
J. Just draw J.
J.
K.
K.
L.
Wait. Let me take me easy. Okay, so E.
E.
F. G. H. I. J. Yep. Following.
K. L. M. So M, yeah. So it's like 3M. 3 hump M.
So 3 knuckles.
3 knuckles. And N is 2 knuckles.
Yep.
Yeah. O.
Okay.
P is like K, but it's turned downwards.
So that was K.
Yeah.
K and P.
Yes, but you don't have to turn your whole arm.
Then how do you...
Just your wrist. All on the wrist.
Okay.
Okay, what letter we have? P?
P, yes.
Q.
How is Q?
Q is, G, but downwards.
So this is G and Q.
Q.
How do you do that with the elbow? I've got a problem with my elbows, that's definitely, or my wrist, I don't know.
Now you think about this little square, right? So the square in front of your body, and you gotta keep all of the letters without, so like you're not supposed to have, you're supposed to have as little movement as possible when you're signing. Extra movement.
Okay, so everything should be on the palms.
Yes, finger spelling, yes. So
Okay.
we're finger spelling with the letters. Okay. P.
P.
Q.
Q.
R.
What?
Do you just cross
You have
your-
an extra finger. Oh, okay, it's the other ones. Okay, got it. R. Okay, R.
And then S is like A, except you're gonna put it in front of your palm.
Also, if I do this, it's 8. If I do this, it's S. Okay.
And I
So-
guess if you you have to be very imaginative.
Can I go back to the R? R?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. And Q was just towards down. And P was this. Got it.
I'm gonna make you do the alphabet backwards.
Oh, come on. Okay.
Okay, T is 1 knuckle.
Upwards, yeah?
Yep.
Okay.
U. V.
V.
W.
W. That's easy. So U, V, W.
X.
X. That direction or this direction?
Forward.
Forward. Perfect.
Y. And then you just draw a Z.
Really?
Yeah.
That's that's like, I was like, oh, what is Z going to be? Okay. So U, V, W. X.
Yep.
Z.
Y.
Oh, Y, Z. Okay.
From the beginning?
No, I got it. Okay, I'm gonna spell my name, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
W. O. A. X. E.
Wait, I know it. No, it's, I know it. Got it. N. Wax N. Yeah, come on, that was good. And I've got flat as well, wait. Yeah?
B. L. A.
Let me think. I've got the D too. This was C. So A.
Yes.
Yeah?
Good job.
Yes!
Can you spell your last name?
Yeah, sure. C. No, let me get it. So C. A. Did you even show me T?
Yes.
T. I don't know.
This is toilet, so what is T?
T.
Yeah.
U. What if it is my name? I don't know. S.
S.
Oh yeah, the A. S. A. The N I already did. And the U again. Okay, perfect. Thank you. Okay, what's the next step?
So, well, just another tip when you're doing sign language, you want to keep your eyes up because you're always going to be looking and making eye contact to the person you're talking to. So
Yeah.
you just like had your head down. So just make sure you're up so that.
Okay, well, I mean, I guess if you're a beginner, they would understand, right?
Yeah, probably.
They would see on my face the confusion. They'd be like,
Confused.
Okay.
Confusion. Okay. So I guess if you want to introduce yourself to someone,
yeah.
you would say, "Hi, my name." Yep, so 2 fingers on each hand, tapping. And then you would finger spell your name. So mine's M-O-R. I missed, I wasn't watching, sorry. You have to do it again, lots of practice. Yes. And one other thing I noticed is that when you're finger spelling, you don't want to, like...
Knock on the door.
Yes. Because it's funny, when people teach you sign language that are actually, like, deaf, they're so cute. They're the cutest people when they talk because they have so much emotion. And so they're like, they follow you because they follow your hand. Because they want to look at your hand. So if you're moving it, they're like, I can't...
Okay, so ideally he's like being consistent. So ideally I should do like,
Yeah, keeping your elbows still. That's good.
so can I hold it with my other arm? I don't know. No, it's very good to know. That's a very good point. Yeah.
Yeah, because that's what they focus on. You know, it's like lip reading, or if your lips are moving and when you're talking like this.
No, that makes plenty of sense.
Yeah.
Thank you for
So
teaching
it's
me.
like, hi, my name, M-O-R-G-A-N.
Okay, so how do you say? So hi is this, okay? How is
Yeah.
bye? Same.
Bye.
How is?
Usually, I mean, you can obviously read a situation or read a conversation. Hi, bye. I would say so I think I taught you this in the American Sign Language video, but like nice to meet you.
Yeah.
So we were doing nice on the palm and then meet you. So meet is 2 D's
So it's
coming together. So
nice
to meet you.
Nice. Perfect. And obviously this way, right?
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah,
Okay,
exactly.
That's good. So before we end the video, let's try to recap together, I guess with me and with your help, the alphabet one more time.
Or I can spell you a word and you have to try and guess what the letters are.
Let's try Yeah, okay, no, that's a good idea. Yeah, but don't make it hard.
Okay.
Yeah? Yeah? You. Yeah? 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 I was like a TU something.
It's an E. So the funny thing about watching and learning finger spelling is that you'll like watch the person and you'll collect all the letters and then you'll be like, I have no idea what you just wrote because like you're too focused on trying to get the letter
So
and you don't remember the letters
This
in
was
order.
an E. Mm-hmm. So it was U2.
It was YouTube.
Got it. I
but-
didn't catch the B. That's
Right.
Okay.
But you'll get good at like predicting probably what the word is if they're gonna finger spell a conversation with you.
Yeah, I mean, which is probably not gonna happen, but it's good to catch names, right?
Right. So lots of practice. Yeah, you have to. It's because it's one thing to just do the letters, but it's another thing to actually watch someone
And
else
perceive
do
it.
them and try and guess what they are.
That makes sense.
Yeah.
Thank you, Morgan. I really enjoyed making this video actually. If you want to see us make more, because I want to learn more, and I think we could do this together, like you learn with me at the same time. Thank you, Morgan, for helping us. Check out the American Sign Language Challenge. Thanks for watching, and see you next time, whatever you do. Stay hydrated.
Check out the merch.
Yeah, check out the best merch in the game. Thank you for watching.
Bye.
You wanna say something in sign language?
Bye.